Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? How is all my people? If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, I have an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. Yeah, I ordered something the first time in a while from Diamond Art Club. So I'm gonna unbox it and I hope you like it. If y'all haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it's kind of tough, but I'm trying. So if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe and like buttons. Pretty please, that would help me out so much. Leave in the comment section below what kind of crafts are y'all working on? Are y'all working on any diamond paintings and so on and so forth? Y'all leave me some comments. I love to read y'all comments. So here we go. Let me move the can. Let me fix this. Okay, I have a Diamond Art Club painting and I'm gonna open it. It's something I had been wanting, something similar to this, some kind of Halloween stuff. It is Halloween, so yeah, there's that. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do it for Halloween, but I may do it for Christmas. I don't know. I might not. But I did want it because last year I wanted one and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find anything I liked. This year I liked this one. So let's get down to it. See if I can open it. And we have a toolkit, of course. I love Diamond Art Club's toolkit. I hope it's not a macaroon. I hope the cover minder's not a macaroon. I'm gonna break everything. Okay, so this is what I got. A Spooktacular Night. And it is by Sarah Richter. Sarah Richter. I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name, but this is what I got at A Spooktacular Night. I thought it was so cute. So I ordered it, and it's not humongously big, so I can I won't have to stress out working on it. Y'all, I still want that one with that truck. That new fall one that came out. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna get it next. I did order something else too, but okay, let me see what we got here. Take everything out. Okay, you guys all know that it comes with a tray and a stopper. Okay. I'm gonna put, as we go in the bag, a pin, a diamond painting pin, single placer with a squishy, and it's green. Cute. I really don't use these, so plastic Ziploc baggies. I do use those, but I have so many. A 4-placer and a 7-placer. Yes. That heart-shaped wax. It's just the regular wax, pink wax. And you take the plastic portion off to get to the wax. Because you can't get to the wax without removing that plastic portion. Okie dokie. And because this diamond painting is a square, we have tweezers. Comes with tweezers. Actually, I'm putting those aside. And it comes with this washi tape. Look how cute. I always use washi tape, so that's a plus for me. I love washi tape. I section my canvases off with this. Look how pretty. I love it. It is so cute. Okay, and finally, we have something I don't have. Look how cute. It's flowers. Oh, it's tulips or roses. It's some roses and 4 different colors. Look how cute it is. I'm so excited because it's different. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Diamond Art Club, because that's cute. So I'm going to put this aside because I'll save those. I'll put those away. If I decide to sell a painting or send a kit with the painting. I need to destash a painting or two. Stuff that I know I'm not going to probably not do. Alrighty, so let's look at this. Let me put this right here. Get this out of the way. And this. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Oh, good Lord. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the photo. It's the diamond shape is square. It's a 22 inch by 28 inch, 55 by 70 centimeter. And it's called A Spooktacular Night by Sarah Richter. It has 55 colors. Look how cute. Oh, I can't wait. Y'all really do want to work on this. I love the colors. It's so cute. Oh my, I might have to kit this up. That's sad. And do a little bit at a time. I'm working on my event ones right now for Diamond Grandma's event and Blunts and Gems 2 events. So I'm working on my diamond painting for those, but that doesn't mean I can't kit it up. You know, it would just make me happy to kit it up. So it does have 55 colors. I'll let y'all take a peek at the colors. I'm going to go up and down so y'all can see them. So they do have pretty colors. I love it. It comes with a pamphlet. As you all know, a thank you for your purchase pamphlet. And it has some QR codes in the back. It tells you how to diamond paint and gives you instructions on what to do. And it also has another QR code. This is for their work in progress photos and a sneak peek of new arrivals. Y'all go to Instagram and check them out. Diamond Art Club. Everybody knows Diamond Art Club, I'm pretty sure. But for those of you that don't, I just wanted to give y'all a piece of information so y'all would know. I will link this diamond painting in the description portion of this video in case you guys want to take a look at it. I don't know if they still have any in stock. I did not check right before this video. I'm sorry about that, but I'll still link it anyways, okay? So y'all can go check it out. All right, so this is it, you guys. Look at this, how cute. With the mouse. Of course, all Diamond Art Club diamond paintings are licensed art. So the artist gets paid for each purchase. I think that's how that works. But look at these colors and look at the drill field. Diamond Art Club has absolutely amazing canvases. I really love them. They're top quality. They have scalloped and poked edges so they do not come unraveled. They have all the schematic. The legend is on the top left hand side. And it does have the DMC codes near on the side of each one. Look at those colors. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I love it. Look at that. Watch the kitty. Oh, I love the kitty. Look, the kitty and the spider. And it says boo. That's so cute. I might put that in. If it's not ABs, I'm probably going to put this in ABs right here. And maybe the square around it. That'll be cute. We shall see what I'm going to do with this thing. This is so cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. They do have a legend on this side as well, which is the right bottom. And it gives you information here at the bottom. It tells you that this has a lifetime warranty. Comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamond protection from Diamond Art Club. And then it gives you their Facebook and Instagram information and a percentage off code. I'm gonna show you, let's see, this one has two ABs. This one only has 2 ABs. And y'all know it's gonna be a lot of black. But that's okay. I'm not sorry for the noise. Hold on, let me fix y'all. Sorry for the noise. Y'all, I'm sorry. Okay, can't get it together this morning. It's morning time and I have the kids early. I'm babysitting. Not that I'm on, just I'm still trying to wake up. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out, but I'm not undoing them. I just want y'all to see the drills, how cute. So these are the drills. They're so shiny and sparkly. You know, they have a lot of blues and blacks, I'm sure. Navy blues. I really love the colors. I cannot wait to do these. I just cannot wait. They're so, so, so cute. Love them. Let's see if I could turn it so y'all could see all the colors. Look all these colors in the color palette. These are so pretty. I love the colors. And it's like fall colors. It reminds me of fall. It reminds me of fall. I love it. I love the colors. Y'all, this makes me really want to kit this up. Look at this purple though. Is that purple? It looks purple right here, but it looks blue on the camera, but it's really purple. I love the colors. I said I wasn't going to undo this. I'm trying not to. Of course, they have a lot of black. Is that black? Color. No, that's dark, dark, dark brown. 310 is black. A lot of purples, a lot of blacks, a lot of dark, dark, dark browns, a lot of 939s, a lot of 939s. So yeah, nice and sparkly. I know y'all can't see this, but upside down. So that's the drills, and they are, like I said, let me see, I don't know the colors of the ABs. Let me look in here and see. Colors of the ABs is a light yellow, dark yellow, and that's it. So I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, I see. I'm going to show y'all the 2 ABs, because those you can see them. Sorry for the noise. These are the ABs, and the lighter color as well. This is this one. So those are the 2 ABs for this diamond painting. And if y'all wondering, the reason why I don't want to take it all out, it's because I can never get it back in the bag like it was. And I'm not doing this one right now. So as soon as I finish Diamond Grandma's diamond painting for her event, for hashtag fall y'all, then I may kit another one up, but I'm not sure if it's going to be this one. I'm not quite sure. We shall see. I might kit 2 of them up. I might kit this one, and I might kit another one. You know what I could do? Actually, I could actually kit this one up for my event, because the pumpkin has a witch hat. The pumpkin's a witch. It has a hat. It has a witch hat. So the pumpkin is a witch. That's how I see it. So y'all put it in the comment section below how y'all see it. And let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to show y'all the diamond painting one more time. I will link, like I said, I will link this diamond painting from Diamond Art Club in the description portion of this video. And y'all go check it out. Y'all, please, if y'all have not subscribed, please do so. I'm trying to hit 1,000. And if whoever joined my live last night was Sunday the 8th. Okay, October 8th. And I had a guest. And it was Joanna. And if y'all don't know who Joanna is, I will link her YouTube channel in the description portion of this video as well. She was my co-host and she was so, so sweet. And Joanna, if you're watching this, I really, really appreciate you being my co-host last night, my guest. I really, really appreciated you taking your time from your Sunday to be on my channel with me, having a blast. We had a good time, you guys. If you have not seen that video, please go watch it. Y'all gonna enjoy it. I promise. We had a lot of laughs and we had fun, and I really, really had a nice time. I want to thank everybody that came to watch us. I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate all of you and for all of y'all support. Thank y'all so, so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Bye.